Welcome. If you're experiencing issues with Snapchat not loading snaps, you're not alone. This is a common problem for many users, but fortunately, there are several straightforward steps you can take to get everything working smoothly again. Let's dive into the solutions. First, check your internet connection. A stable connection is essential for Snapchat to function properly. Whether you're using Wi-Fi or mobile data, make sure you have a strong signal. If you're experiencing connectivity issues, try switching networks or resetting your router. Next, ensure that you have the latest version of Snapchat installed. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. Head to the Google Play Store or App Store to check for any available updates and install them. If your app is up to date but still not working, it might be time to clear the Snapchat cache. To do this, go to your profile, tap the cogwheel icon to access settings, scroll down, and select Clear Cache. This can help resolve any temporary data conflicts that might be causing the issue. Sometimes, a simple restart of your device can resolve app issues. Turn off your phone for a few moments and then turn it back on. This refresh can clear up minor glitches. Next, check if there are any Snapchat outages. Websites like Down Detector can provide real-time information about service disruptions. If there's an outage, you may need to wait until Snapchat resolves the issue. If you've tried everything and still face problems, consider reinstalling Snapchat. Uninstall the app from your device, then download it again from the Google Play Store or App Store. This fresh installation can often fix persistent issues. Lastly, make sure to turn off data saver mode. Go to your profile, tap the cogwheel icon, scroll down, and disable data saver. This feature can limit app performance and prevent snaps from loading properly. By following these steps, you should be able to get Snapchat back on track. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.